Okay, so what you saw me sprinkle around the base of the hive is cinnamon. It's not lethal to the bees, but because ants are trying to get in there because they smell the sugar water and or the honey, then cinnamon acts as a deterrent around the base of the hives to keep the ants away. That's what my bee master, bee guy, has told me. And also what I'm doing right now is not a good idea to be directly in front of the hives, but I'm not going to be here much longer, and being aware. So this is my vlog for today, showing you what I'm up to with my bee gals. And oh, I just saw one of them go in there and she had pollen on her legs. Yay! See, we've been feeding them the sugar water so that they'll have food until there's more things blooming naturally and the stuff that we're going to plant. Yes, because we don't want the hive to just get up and leave because there's no food, no food source. And it also gives them water. And I'm going to, I'll keep you posted with the vlog as far as things are going. And once again, guys and gals, I may not vlog as much as I've done with some of my other projects because I'm really trying to enjoy the experience of learning all about bees and beekeeping and all of the different aspects that go along with it. So I'm trying to live more in the moment of when I'm actually doing things. I'll do my best to keep sharing with you the stuff that I do. And once again, remember, I am not an expert beekeeper by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just learning, and today is day 8, day 8 of me being a beekeeper. So thanks for watching, and please, if you can, support, at the very least, support by clicking the like or the little heart button, or follow me on social media. TuskegeeHoney.com. Okay, so this video segment is about me at the bee yard, working with the bees, sprinkling sprinkling cinnamon around the base of the hives. What that cinnamon does is it helps to prevent ants. But what I also wanted to point out is that you'll see me in this video and I'm not wearing any bee protective gear. That's entirely a personal choice for me. But you might decide, and it might be best for you and anybody who's out working near your bees and the beehives, to wear your protective gear, your veil, your gloves, your suit. It's entirely up to you. Bee stings do hurt. I promise you they do. I've been bitten or stung twice, and both times it was my fault. So just because you see me out in a bee yard full of bees, you see I'm kind of looking around nervously, but that's actually looking around, being aware of my surroundings, what the bees are doing, where they're at, where the guard bees are. And I'm working kind of quickly, but still not doing a whole bunch of flapping around to attract the bees to get mad at me. So once again, it's up to you whether or not you choose to wear your protective gear. You probably should. And if I were actually opening up these hives and doing a hive inspection, I would certainly have on all my beekeeping equipment. And anytime I am around the bees and I'm sensing that they're a little upset about something, whether it's cloudy, overcast, raining, whatever, then I'm usually in my protective gear. So that's my talk to you about the importance of wearing your protective gear. And you do see me wear it in a lot of the other videos, but I did want to point out that it's important for you to make that choice as to whether or not you're going to wear protective gear when you're working around beehives. Probably not the smartest thing that I should be doing, but hey, that's me. But I appreciate your watching and your support. So Let me let you keep watching what I'm doing.